Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculating the average value of a function on an interval is super quick if you follow these 3 simple steps to get the correct answer today. The average value of a function on an interval is the integral of the function divided by the interval length. Here, the interval is from -2 to 6, so 8. Now calculate the signed area. Sum the areas of the triangles and trapezoids. Regions above the axis are positive, while regions below the axis are negative. Summing these gives the integral. Finally, divide the total integral by the interval length of 8. This gives us the average value of the function over the specified interval. You got this, let's go! Clear win! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Don't ignore the sign or miscount width. Always use signed area and divide by length.